New video coming soon. Digging in the garden. New plot unearthed. Now, highlight of this short, we had to make room for these plants here. This potato plant was crowding everybody else. And it hasn't been in there all that long. If you follow along on all our shorts and gardening episodes, well, we ended up with 7 potatoes. We're gonna have those for supper tonight. And yeah, video coming soon. Stay tuned. More gardening adventures to come. We love doing this. We're gonna keep doing this. Seems like you guys like it. And catch you on the next one. Digging in the garden.